Hello, in this video I will show you how the management platform works for employers of WasabiJobs, so we can make the most of all your possibilities. This is the management area of all your centers available to those responsible for selection. Here you can see all the work centers that you manage with the address and with the number of pre-validated candidates you have available in each center. You can also see the global statistic with the number of candidates that have been contacted through the platform, those who have been interviewed, and those who have been hired. By clicking on any of them, you agree to see the different positions that are available for that center, as well as the respective pre-validated candidates. In this part, a contact data of the management and the specific statistics of the center. Clicking on any position, you access the detail of the position and the long list of the pre-validated candidates. In the position, you can see its detailed description with the functions, the minimum requirements of the position, the required physical style, the retribution, the shifts, the video interview with the questions that assess the basic competencies of the position, and the questions of the basic knowledge test. Here you have an indicator with the number of favored candidates indicated in stars. Clicking on See Candidates, you access the long list with the pre-validated candidates. You can see the summary of each candidate with their availability, their note, and their status. You can filter and sort by several criteria. With these icons, you can add to favorites or delete candidates. And by clicking, you can see his complete file. You can access the detail of the candidates where you have the full report and its complete profile. Here, you can see the questions of the video interviews that have been made and the answers that the candidates has given. You can see the report WasabiJobs has done based on the answers with an explanatory chart and the note of the basic knowledge test. You can download the resume or any other document that the candidate has uploaded, and you can see the notes made about the candidates that you can add or modify according to your criteria. On the right, you have the data with its availability of incorporation, the distance of center of work, knowledge, and its current status, call to interview, contact, etc. If you are interested in a candidate, click on Contact Information. You'll have their number so you can interview them, and if you like the profile, directly hire them. You can also access the map and view the location of the candidates regarding the work area.